have to start the mission. Okay, and we have to check the center point. How you know where is the center? Just hold your hand like this. Okay, so you will see one point. This is the center. Okay, so you can check with this also. Okay, see. This is the place. Sorry, this is the center point. Okay. You have to be careful with these pins. Okay. So example, like if it is the old clay, it's dry. So what you have to do before one day, you have to add some water to this clay. Yeah. Okay. So slightly we have to knead this. Any gaps are there, na? You may not get the good product. Just to fill in the gaps, okay? Just we have to knead the clay. You can put it on the floor, okay? So you can roll it also on wood, stone, which doesn't absorb water. Okay, so this is the center point, huh? Okay. So just press it. Okay. So means I am fixing the clay. So now you have to start the mission. Not slow, not speed. Just add some water. See, I am pressing with my two hands. Pressing it down.
Pressure.
Some pressure we have to apply. This is ready to make any product. Generally beginners, what is the best one? Bowl or diya, any round shaped one. Okay. So first you have to think like how much big you want to make. Okay. If it is the bigger one, then make it down and put your hands like this. It becomes. But beginners, it's not possible. You can't control that. Okay, so it will be big now. You will not be able to control that. You can't give the shape also. So small size, not too small, not big. Okay. So first we have to separate this much only, not too much. Okay. See your hands, 2 thumbs. Okay, like this. Like this also, like broad also. That is up to you. Okay. So glazing. What is called glazing? Okay. Just this is called glazing. Okay. To make it longer or rounded or flat, you can make like this also. Everything in your hands. Okay? See. See, this is kind of cup. You can call like milk cup or whatever. See. Okay? So, like this also you can. You can do designing also. Using this tool. So then now you have to separate this. Like this. Now you have to cut it. With this wire